Hi, hope you're having an awesome day. We're going to be drawing a four-leaf clover. Super easy, super fun. All you need is something to colour in with and draw with, and something to draw on as well, some paper. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so our four-leaf clover, to get started, we're going to draw 4 leaves. And it's going to be quite a simple shape, actually, if you think about it. So it's basically going to draw a heart shape. So we draw a heart here, and just do the same shape on the other side. It doesn't have to be a perfect heart shape because, you know, it's a plant and leaves are not always perfectly shaped. But basically, this is all we're going to do. We're going to draw this heart shape here, we're going to draw another one here, another one there, and another one there. So, just like this, and another one. And lucky last, and there we go. We've got our 4 leaves of our 4-leaf clover. Now the only other thing we need to draw is a little stem in the middle, and we just start from here, and we go down a bit of a curve, and a little curve line at the bottom, and then just follow that up, and it can join up in there. There we go, we've got our 4-leaf clover. Next part is to colour in. And we've finished colouring in. Very easy to colour in. It's basically just green. I've just used a light green and dark green, and I've added some white in there for a highlight. And there you go, very easy 4-leaf clover to draw. A lucky 4-leaf clover is basically just 4 heart shapes, and then a little bit of stem, some colour, and then voila, you are done. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you had lots of fun drawing our lucky 4-leaf clover. Check out our channel for more drawing videos and also arts and craft videos for you to follow along with and have fun. See you next time. Bye.